everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. In today's video of our Stepn tutorial, we will learn what are GMT and GST tokens. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to not miss out any opportunities in the crypto ecosystem. If you are ready, let's start. As you know, in the Stepn ecosystem, we have two different tokens, which are GMT and GST. You can buy those tokens from centralized exchanges like Binance and FTX, or you can earn those tokens by walking or running while using the Stepn app. This is called Move to Earn. We will learn how to earn those tokens and maximize our profit in the coming videos of our Stepn tutorial. Don't miss out those videos. GMT is the governance token of Stepn, which means there is a limited supply with 6 billion tokens, and GMT is the main token of Stepn application. Now, if we look at the GST token, we can see it is the utility token of Stepn, which means we have to use GST while using the specific systems on the application. But don't be afraid when you hear the unlimited supply. With the perfect burning mechanism, project keeps the supply of those tokens in shape so there's no overinflation which will harm us in the long term. You can see the token burning systems right here. While using those systems like repairing our sneakers, unlocking the sockets on our sneakers, leveling up, customization, shoe minting, and other things you can see here, project is burning GST and GMT tokens. Now let's look at the tokenomics. If you head out to light paper of Stepn, and you can find its link in the descriptions, we can see the distribution percentages and the tokenomics chart with full detail. You can head out to this page and investigate those percentages and make your own plan. In the next video of our tutorial, we will learn how to use Stepn wallet and we will be ready to use the app. This means in the coming videos, we are starting to make profit. This is the end of this chapter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.